Do you want to know how to make a few $100 in under 10 minutes? If so, keep watching this video because I'll explain how to put your skills to work in this way and start bringing in money right away. Welcome back to Cash Collect. The website we'll use is accessible anywhere in the globe, and there's no requirement for prior experience or expertise of any kind. So anyone can use it to start making money immediately. You won't want to miss what happens at the end of this video, so keep watching till then and pay attention. So let's go ahead and head on over to System.io, the site where we'll be implementing this strategy. System.io is an alternative landing page builder to the popular ClickFunnels. You've likely heard of ClickFunnels, but to recap, it's a place where you can create a landing page, a sales page, and an email marketing campaign. Consequently, its primary function is the promotion of commercial offerings. As you can see, you have access to a wide variety of opportunities, some of which include the building of a website, the administration of affiliates, the creation of online courses, and other similar endeavors. After signing up for a free account and clicking the Sign In button, you'll be sent to the dashboard properly. Click Affiliate Dashboard to access your affiliate dashboard, where you can find your affiliate ID and your unique referral link to System.io, where you'll earn a 50% lifetime commission on any money your referrals spend on the service. If someone stays using this platform for many years to come, you can expect to earn commissions for many years to come as well. A traffic source that can bring in signups can be up and running in about 10 minutes. And as I mentioned, once you get those signups, you might be receiving monthly payments for the next number of years. As an affiliate, you can advertise a wide variety of products and services, each of which has the potential to increase your revenue. You want to mimic this, and there are two affiliate marketing strategies you may employ to promote System.io. Making short, unglamorous videos that you upload to YouTube is the first step. These can be anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes in length. Start up your preferred screen recording program. Then head on over to System.io to create a video like Best Landing Page Builder. You can earn a respectable sum with a relatively low number of views. Even if just 100 individuals saw your page, each of those 100 people actively sought for best landing page builders. The more exposure people have to your content, the more likely they are to become subscribers. After they sign up, you'll start making money automatically. The best course of action will be that. I'm aware that many of you have no interest in making videos or uploading content to YouTube. That's fine though, because we'll also be able to leverage AnyWord as a visitor acquisition channel. You may easily generate articles with the help of AnyWord, an AI bot. So, what you can do is register for AnyWord, make an account, and then log in there. After you log in, you'll have the option to create a blog. You can write a new blog post about the best landing page builders, for example, in the blog visit area. You may, for instance, discuss the optimal procedure for creating a website or landing page. Alternatively, I can just Google Best Landing Page Builders 2022 and get what I need. If I give them that description and click Next, they'll come up with a title for us. They'll look into it and produce an article for us to publish. So I'm going with the Best Landing Page Builders for 2022 plus one to avoid. Now, they'll create a rough draft, and I'll explain how to leverage this article ring to boost signups through your System.io affiliate link and bring in passive money. So now they'll generate the paragraph, and we'll prioritize System.io by placing it at the very top. Then you can enter the editor by pressing the next button. You could also get an affiliate link to promote the offerings. After you've begun writing about them, you may insert the links. I've decided to push the generate button and have the system produce an entire article for me. We have the title and the introduction written, and they will produce the rest. I will then revise it and include my thoughts on System.io. You can also find pre-existing reviews online and rework them in your own words. adding your affiliate link in the process. What's more, you can also just share the content on a platform where people visit to share various articles and blog posts, such as medium.com. Millions of individuals all over the world can access those, and all of them are interested in creating their own website, business, email list, landing page, sales page, etc. It's also easy to share on vocal.media. It's an excellent venue for attracting a sizable audience. Simply clicking a button allows you to generate a tale. You can begin writing the article below after giving it a title. So, I'll just go back, click a button to copy the article, and then post it here. I can create a short piece extolling the virtues of System.io, outlining how it excels where similar tools fall short, and conclusively linking to the service. As a result, I can confidently promote, click here to sign up to the best landing page builder for free, as users may join System.io without spending a dime. After that, you can simply put your System.io affiliate link into the highlighted bolded phrase. So, get back to System.io and grab the link once more. To add the link, copy the text and paste it into the text box below. As a result, the reader will immediately recognize the imperative stated here. Through it, they can join System.io with just a click. Simply make your modifications and hit save and publish on vocal.media. People are definitely generating money simply by sharing articles. To get in on the action and increase your earnings potential, post an article that features your affiliate link and get paid without actively doing anything. In conclusion, affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online, and System.io is the perfect platform to get started. With its easy-to-use interface and a wide range of features, anyone can build landing pages and sales pages and run email marketing campaigns. Plus, as an affiliate, you can earn passive income for years to come by promoting System.io to others. By using the traffic sources we've discussed in this video, such as creating YouTube videos or generating articles through AnyWord, you can start earning up to $50 per hour with this side hustle. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for System.io today and start making money with affiliate marketing. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn money just by listening to music. So if you're interested in doing that, click the tab presented on your screens. Thank you for taking the time to watch this.